Artsy Doodlers! We are doing another art and science experiment, and this time it's going to be a candy experiment. I think you're going to love it. It's hard to resist eating all that candy, but try to save them for your project, or maybe have one for yourself. But you're going to want to use 4 pixie sticks, some warm water, and some baking soda. And it's not a bad idea to have like a little spoon or a popsicle stick handy also. So I'm going to open up my pixie sticks, and we're going to play with them first to make a little art happen, and then we're going to do a test on them. So I think I'm going to put my blue pixie stick like the blue sky. Ooh, all up here. I'm lucky I have 2 of those. So I'll go ahead and add the second one up there too. Or maybe that's the ocean, huh? Ooh, I'm making an piece of art. And I'm gonna use my red one next. Oh, that's pretty too. Almost looks peach, huh? And then I have some purple. So I think I'll go ahead and mix that purple in. Boy, purple is almost clear. It's like white. Not very purple. Purple's my favorite flavor though. I love purple gum, grape candy, anything like that. So it would be my favorite pixie stick, that's for sure. So now I'm gonna make some art. Did you ever do sand art before? And so I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna draw a picture. Sand art. There I go. So you can, maybe I'll put some little polka dots all around, but you can just have fun making a little picture out of your sand, and make some sand art. It'd be fun if we had lots more pixie sticks and we could fill up our whole plate. So now we're gonna do, after you're done doodling in the sand, we're gonna do a science experiment with it. So we're gonna take our warm water. We need a little bit of warm water. And we are going to dissolve the pixie stick dust into the warm water. So I think what I'll have to do, if I had a paper plate, I'd be able to bend it, but I'm gonna try to get as much of that pixie stick dust. There we go. Ooh, that's a pretty blue color, huh? I'm even gonna stir it a little bit and let that dissolve. How will you know when it's dissolved? Does anybody have any guesses? I think you'll start to see that this, because it's really sugar. Pixie sticks made of a lot of sugar. So we'll see that I can see all the way to the bottom. There's no sugar in there anymore. It's all melted in, which is fantastic. So now we're gonna do a little test with the baking soda. What we wanna find out is this acidic candy? So if I put a little bit of baking soda in, what happens? Ooh, it's bubbling. Did you see that? I'm gonna try to put some more in. Wow, that really bubbled. So that means this pixie stick candy is acidic. If it doesn't bubble, then it's not acidic. So wouldn't it be fun the next time you have some various kinds of candy, if you could melt them down or dissolve them, just let them sit in some warm water until they dissolve, like a starburst. That would be a cool one to test. Let it dissolve in the water and then add some baking soda. And if it bubbles on you, and it's sort of like oozed, huh? If it bubbles on us, then we know that there's acid in there. Huh, pretty cool. All right, well, thank you so much. That was a fun, colorful experiment with some candy. Have a happy doodle day.